We are using the Cuban twist hair in the number 1B. Also, human hair, number 2, wavy, 16 inches. And I got this hair off of Amazon. It's not the greatest hair. It was cheap, but it just served its purpose. I'm using Live and So Real Gel. Let's begin. We are doing the knotless twist with the wavy human hair. I did this basically like the knotless braids that I did in a previous video. I just took the 2 turns, and then I started to feed the hair in to her hair. And as I braid down, I'm feeding the hair in to, start the braid and everything, the braided part, and then we're going to connect everything together to form the twist. This style, like back in the day, adding the human hair to the style. We used to add the human hair to the end part of the braids, maybe 3 strands, and then dip it in hot water. And it's so funny how these styles come back in style. But I, wanted to do the knotless twist because that's all I do is twist hair. Twisting is very, very popular. So I'm going down, let's say 5 turns, and then I start adding the human hair. Now, this human hair wasn't the greatest hair, but it's going to serve its purpose, because you could buy really expensive human hair. It just depends on how full you want the style, and that you want the hair to be really nice. But my suggestion is, get a quality human hair, to put in, nothing too expensive. It's just the way that you have to take care of the human hair when you put it in. You definitely got to mousse it down. You can use a little pink oil moisturizer or the ORS, the ORS, in it to kind of keep the hair, a little supple, and use the mousse to kind of stiffen the hair up so the strands won't be all over the place. And pretty much you could, because I even do that sometimes with my weaves. I don't buy the most expensive hair, but I just know how to care for it to look nice. Now we starting again, so I'm showing you guys again, how I'm adding the hair. And so what I did with the Cuban twist hair, they come in, the strands, and I just broke the strands down in 3 equal parts, and I started to braid it, in, and then end up making a twist. Now, some of the strands were thicker than the others, so sometime I would use 2, sometime I would break it down in 3, depending on how thick the strand of the Cuban twist hair is. And now I'm feeding the human hair in. So as I go down with the human hair, I twist it with the So Real Gel. And as I twist down, I pull the human hair out. And as I go further down, when I add the human hair, I kind of twist the human hair in 2 turns together, and then pull it out from amongst the Cuban twist hair to make sure that as I go down, the hair is really secure in there, that it will not slide or fall out. Yeah, I'm so happy, you guys. I did a move, I did a break, but I'm getting right back, into the swing of things again. And sorry, my focus, you can't see really, really good, because I had real bad issues in focusing the camera. So I'm still, learning that part. Now, we starting it again. I'm showing you again how I, at a different angle, how I added the hair in to her hair. Like I said, her hair in the back is it's slick straight, and I wanted something to adhere. Now, I normally use the the Rasta-free Alpharel. That's one of my favorite hair to use. Doing twist hair, but for her hair in particular, I wanted to use something just a little bit more coarse. Now this hair is soft coarse. It's not a hard coarse type of hair like the Rasta-free, the Malibu dreadlock. It's a more of a harder type of kinky hair, but this particular hair is much softer. And then too, it has a little curl at the end, where you can like take the little curl and like wrap it around the human hair at the very, very end. So I'm braiding it down. I think I did about 6 turns, and then I start, because I did it basically random. Some I twisted it down because I wanted to have more of a waterfall look to the braid, to the style. And I'm twisting it down, and I'm just going to show you again how I added the human hair in there. And then this is easier too also if you're a beginner braider, because with coarse textured hair, it twists much tighter than the straight hair. But I love using them both. Been using them both for years. And when I moved, I ended up finding a lot of old pictures. So I'm gonna do a vlog and show y'all all the old pictures so y'all can see nothing new is under the sun. And a lot of these styles is coming out that they have already been done. As I twist it down now, I'm showing you guys the end part of how I am adding the human hair to the very, very end. I normally braid it in. I don't make sure that it's 100% secure, I'm just showing you guys the look. It's long. It is super long. And I'm showing you once again how I twist it down. And then I add the human hair to it. And as I braid down, you see that little curl? As I braid down, I'm braiding down onto that little curl. And what I'm going to do is take that little curl and I'm going to wrap it around the human hair. And then I'm going to cut the little end piece off. So I'm wrapping it around. And then I'm going to cut that little tail part off of the human hair. And if you would like this hair, I will link this particular hair in the description box. But basically the human hair, like I said, it wasn't expensive at all. I think I paid about like $45 for it, But it definitely served its purpose. Now we at the top. Now we halfway done, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Like, say for instance, if she wanted to go out of town and she wanted to get into the pool or whatever, and she's able to do that with this type of hair. She want to go jet skiing, she can do whatever she wants to do, with this particular hair, because it adheres to her hair very well. Because she has that slick straight hair, and I just wanted something that was going to grip her hair and not slide out of her hair. Yeah, this is we halfway finished. And I'm about to start at the top. I think it ended up being a little below butt length, the braids. It's absolutely beautiful. Now I'm about to do the top, and I'm going to show you guys 2 more times on how I did this, how I just added the hair. And I braided it in just like the knotless. And then I took a few turns, and then I twisted it down, adding the human hair. Now this is the final braid that I'm twisting down. Now I'm adding the human hair to it. And I'm taking the human hair and I'm spinning it with my hands, and I'm spinning it all the way down, and then I'm going to pull the human hair out because I wanted the human hair to be joined into the braid, like twisted into the braid, not just me just putting it on the end part and just twisting it. I wanted it to be twisted in the braid to make sure that it was 100% secure. Because you know, when people sleep on their hair and wear them bonnets, sometimes the bonnets don't even hold the hair in place. So the hair be all, you know, wild in that bonnet, you know. So that's why I tell my clients, it's like, wear a scarf and put your bonnet over the scarf. That way, when you sleep at night, your hair is not tossing all over the place and your braids won't loosen real fast. Because my clients, their hair lasts for a full 3 months plus when it's done that way. This is the final reveal. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And once again, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.